dash 26. This is A1, this is A2, this is A3. A3 is 26. What is the formula for A3? What is the formula for A3? A1 plus 2D is 26. 2 plus 2D is 26. 2D is 26 minus 2. 24 over 2 is what? 12. What is the difference? 12. So what would be the second term? 2 plus 12. First term plus difference 14. देखिए इन दोनों का difference 12, इनका भी difference 12. So second term is what? The block is what? 14. Option number B. Option number B. 15. These are the consecutive terms. These are such short sums. 2p plus 1, 13, 5p minus 3 are the consecutive terms of AP. Then value of P. Second minus first is equal to third minus second. 13 minus 2p minus 1, 5p minus 3 minus 30. Correct? What is 13 minus 1? 12 minus 2p. 5p minus 16. 5p plus 2p is 12 plus 16. 28 is 7p. P is what? 28 over 7, 4. P is what? 4. Option number D. Correct? Then find the sum of 22 terms. AP क्या है? P plus Q, P minus Q, P minus 3Q and so on. What is the first term here? What is the difference? Second. This is second minus first. Second minus first. P minus Q minus P minus Q. Minus Q is minus 2. आ गया? What do you need? Sum of 22 terms. बोलिए S22 का फॉर्मूला सारी क्लास. 22 upon 2, 2A plus 21D. 22 minus 1 हो जाएगा? N minus 1 होता है 22 minus 1. This is what? 11. What is 2A? 2 times P plus Q. And what is the difference? Minus 2. Right? किस-किसका आंसर आ चुका है ये मेरे से पहले? That's wonderful to see. 11. 2P plus 2Q minus 42. 11. 2P minus 40. Was this an MCQ? No. Is this the answer? 22P minus 440Q? यही आया है? 22P minus 440. 23rd. If AN is minus 15, N is 20, D is minus 5. Find A. What is the formula for AN? बोलिए सब. A1 plus N minus 1. AN is A1 plus N minus 1. AN की वैल्यू कितनी है? minus 15. A1 की पूछिए. N 20. Difference minus 5. Minus 15 is A plus 19 into minus 5. Minus 15 is A minus 95. Minus 15 plus 95 is A. A is what? 80. What is the first term? 80. Option. मैं MCQ को नहीं था. यही आया सबका? 24. What is SN? 3n square minus 4. nth term. SN से an निकालना थोड़ा मुश्किल है. पहले आप निकालेंगे S1, S1, S2, S3. फिर आप निकालेंगे A1. A1 क्या होता है? S1. A2 क्या होता है? S2 minus S1. A3, S3 minus S2. S1. What is S1? 3 into 1 square, 4 into 1. 3 minus 4 is what? Minus 1. S2, 3. बस यहाँ n को 1 लगा दो, S1 आ गया. n को 2 लगा दो, S2 आ गया. 12 minus 8. n को 3 लगा दो, 3 into 3 square, 4 into 3. 27 minus 12 is what? 15. Correct? Correct? A1 is what? S1. What is A2? S2 minus S1. S2 minus S1. A3. S3 minus S2. 11. Minus 1, 5, 11. ये आ गया इसी. What were they asking you? What was their question? Their question was find the nth term. जब आपकी AP आ गई, this is your AP. जिसका first term है -1 और difference है 5 of -1 6. A1 plus n minus 1. A1 is what? -1. Difference is what? 6. -1 plus 6n minus 6. Is this the answer you all are getting?
Yes.
Perfect. Last question of today. If in an AP, A1 is 1, AN is 20, SN is 399. Find N. Find N. दृष्टि बताएगी हमें AN का फॉर्मूला. It is equal to 20. What is first term दृष्टि? 1. देखिए सब इधर. Plus N minus 1D is 20. What is N minus 1D? 20 minus 1? 90. Kritika will tell me the formula for SN. बोलिए कृतिका. SN. N by 2. बोलिए. 2A plus. अब मुझे अलग अलग n minus n और d नहीं पता, बट ये पूरा एक्सप्रेशन तो पता है, यहाँ लग सकता है 90. Sum is 399. N by 2. 2A. What is A? 1. And n minus 1d is what? 90. 399 n by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 19 is what? 21. Right? यही पूछ रहे थे वो n. n क्या आएगा? 399 into 2 over 21. 7 3s are 7 5s are 7. 19 2s are how many terms are there? 38 terms. Option number C. A1 was 1, AN is 20. AN का फॉर्मूला लगा दिया, क्या लगा? A1 plus n minus 1. SN का फॉर्मूला क्या लगा? n by 2 2A plus n minus 1. A1 में ये 1 आ गया 20. तो ये पूरा एक्सप्रेशन अलग अलग एंड ही नहीं निकले. n minus 1d is 90. यहाँ आ गया 19. यहाँ 2 into 1 ये 21 into 2 over 21. So what is the number of terms? 30. Am I clear? So that finishes your questions till 25. 5 more will be done tomorrow as soon as you come. Okay? And then we'll be proceeding for more.